Hello again, it's Lock Noob, and what I have here is an Emhart Corbin padlock. Now, don't get all excited, it isn't actually one of those kind of Emharts which has those beautiful interlocking pins that rotate round. No, I mean, I wish I had one, but I don't. This is one that's made in Italy. It's the 16 to 50mm padlock. Kind of cool. You can tell it's quite old because the kind of cellophane cover's a bit cracked, but it's really, really cool. Right, let's have a go at picking this padlock. But first, check out the bitting of the key. Now, this is one of my favourite. Right, this is a bit nerdy. I admit it's a bit nerdy, but this is one of my favourite key cut styles. I really like this sort of flat style with these little peaks. I don't know why, I just really do. You don't find it in many locks. I think this Corbin American locks sometimes have them. But yeah, just, one of my favourite key cuts. Wow, that just sounds so nerdy. But then, look, you're watching a lock picking channel, so I guess that's what you get. 5 pins. The bitting's pretty nice though, isn't it? It's got some lows and highs and lows and highs and lows. Very nice. Works very smoothly. Clearly brand new lock. You can see a bit of sort of well, it looks like it's discoloured through light actually getting to it. Can you see? There's a little border where the window was, but not on the back. Kind of cool. Anyway, let's have a go at picking it. Just going to use an 80 thousandths Peterson gem, bit of top of the keyway tension from a 2.5mm wiper blade insert, which has been bent at one end, and just going to go in and see what we get. So pin 5, there you go. Pin 2, go back, pin 4, and we are open. Wow, that was really, really quick. But I think I know why. And this happens every now and again. It doesn't happen often, but it happens every now and again. Just look at the bitting of the lock. It is quite nice. But I'm picking off this warding ledge here. If you look at that warding ledge, that corresponds to, well, the bottom where my nail is running up and down. Now, I bet you that if I put this pick here in there at the bottom of that ridge, you'll see that it pretty much self-picks pins 1 and 3 there. Can you see? So I reckon just by the nature of me putting this pick in, which has a relatively thick shaft, picks those pins, meaning I only have to pick pins 5, 4 and 2. So yeah, I'd like to say it's entirely my amazing picking skills, but sadly not in this case. It's actually the pick itself doing the picking for me, which I guess I'm grateful for. Alright, hope you found that interesting, and I'll see you all next time.